Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake recipe of mini egg nests. These little treats are perfect for Easter and a great way to get your little ones involved, or just something for you to make without having to bake it. So, let's get started. So, for this recipe you're going to need 200 grams of milk chocolate, which you're going to want chopped, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, 100 grams of Rice Krispies. Close enough. A bag of mini eggs, a big bowl, a big spoon, a saucepan, a muffin tray or a baking tray, and some cupcake cases. Okay, step 1. Line your muffin tin or baking tray with cupcake cases. If you're using a muffin tin, you can get away without using cupcake cases, and you can just grease the holes. However, I think cupcake cases just add that little bit extra to the nests. Step 2. Add your chopped chocolate, butter, and syrup tablespoons 1, 2, 3, and 4 to your big mixing bowl. Step 3. Put your mixing bowl full of ingredients over a pan of boiling water to melt. Stir throughout to combine your ingredients as they melt. You can also melt your mixture in the microwave on short bursts, stirring in between each burst. Step 4. Take your bowl off the heat and pour in your Rice Krispies. Give these a good mix until your Rice Krispies are fully covered by your chocolate mix. Step 5. Spoon out your Krispies mix evenly into cupcake cases. Keep going. In each cupcake case, you got this. Feel free to top some of your nests up with more Krispies mix if they need it. Step 6. Decorate your nests with mini eggs, placing a couple on top of each nest. Now I know you want to eat them all up right now, but you've got to be patient, so leave them to set in the fridge for a bit. Then you can dig in and enjoy these sweet and chocolatey nests.